Episode 195 of Me and My Designated Driver. Where could we be going this time? Okay, it's Dad right here. It's only like the fourth time. But, yeah, we're going. Where could we be going? Like, always going places. Like, we're just like weird hillbillies just going places. Like, where could we be going? Like, what is wrong? You live in New England and you want to get some bottle baby kids, I highly recommend getting them from Top's Farm. That's where we're going today, and they are such honest folks. You can find them on they have a Facebook page, Top's Crossing Farm, and they have a lot of goats, but I'll be getting a milking goat today because they don't produce as much as they would like, and they have a lot of goats, so I understand why they want to let a couple go, so I get that. But they still get a good amount of milk, but not enough for theirs because they have like high produced milkers. But it's not a big deal for me, I don't need a whole lot. But if you want to get some bottle babies there, or sometimes they
Gloria's Pantry.
Wow, they do sell milk and donuts, but not really too often, so this is a once in a lifetime.
A deer!
There's no deer.
Right there, a deer!
It's a John Deere! Yeah, I'm excited to go get this girl, but you should totally, I follow their page because they always post such cute pictures of their goats, and I'm like, this goat is just there. But yeah, if you live in New England, and I'm honestly, they're like a farm I'm willing to go a little bit farther for. They just,
You're willing to?
She's willing to for me.
Hold my hand. You have 3 seconds.
Got the dough. My sister thought I put goat poop in her coffee. It's a coffee bean.
I'm so mad at her too.
She thought I was throwing a prank on her.
I was so confused.
Oh yeah, it's coffee.
Wait,
Let's toss it out.
Whenever the time goes.
Don't post that. Stop.
This is the most exciting day of my life.
I'm back home, and I'm gonna go give her some of this vitamin B complex because sometimes, like, if a goat will leave when it leaves or goes to a new home, it can be like, get stressed out. It's not used to it, so that helps a little bit with the stress and help not get sick or anything. Here you are. You don't like it? I don't think she likes it. Oh. Well, I'll mix it with some grain a little bit.
You're crazy.
What? I have to milk now. She did not want to go on the stand, so I'm literally just milking her on the ground. Because she's really scared. She's not even eating her grain. Spilt the milk on myself, but she stepped in it, and I had to milk her because Oh, and I couldn't get her on the stand, so I didn't wash her anything. Well, I don't want this milk to go to waste, so I'll just dump it in their bucket. Actually, milk is good for goats. Helps them gain weight if they're underweight. So, but I just had to milk her because she's so tight, and the people I got her from said that she hadn't been milked since this morning, so I had to do her nightly milk, and she's being milked twice a day, so I had to do that, but it's fine. The milk did get wasted, but it's okay. I'll get some tomorrow, and just as long as she's not too tight. She's just a heavy girl. Doesn't even like want her grain. She's just nibbling at it. Like, she's not like eating it, so I couldn't bribe with grain to get her up here, which I usually do with my other goats, but she's just really nervous, but I'm sure in a couple of days she'll warm up to us. What? You want attention, Mitz? I don't think I've mentioned yet that this girl's name is Bear. So that's the name that Top's Farm had given her. She has ear tags, say her name, but they have like a lot of goats, and a lot of them look very similar, and so it's hard to tell, which goat is which, so they have to use ear tags. She is very sweet though, but we have to go milk now. Yeah, we do. It's been a few days since I brought Bear home. She's literally so scared of the milking stand, but I'm usually able to bribe her with some grain, but it's difficult. She does not want to go on the stand today, so I'm going to just try milking her without the stand. She does not want her grain. But don't worry, she is eating it. It's just because I had her for a few days now, and so she does eat it, but today she's just not having it today. Good girl, Panda. Who's a good girl, Panda? Panda. Panda, come here. Come here. Who's a good girl? You're so muddy. Go milk Caramel now. Caramel. Caramel. Caramel will do anything for some grain. Let's go, Caramel. The bear.
That doesn't look too bad on the camera.
By what?
Person. Wait, what?
Wait, is my elastic supposed to look like that?
Oh, no! I need some.
No, give me that.
Wait, that's no.
No, that's mine.
Curious about that? Oh, don't touch that! Ugh.
The part I was eating talk about it. She told me that.
Oh, I forgot. She looks so peaceful.
This is going in the bloopers,
I would take a
Emily.
fat ass.
This is going in the
No, I
bloopers.
would take this very fat person eating a taco burrito.
Oh, wait, because when I go into Emily, when she puts me in, I'm the elf. I have elf legs now.
You're Santa.
Oh, yes, Santa.
Santa.
You guys are the elves.
I'm
taking you a pic.
No, you're Santa. Melody, you're Santa, baby.
I'm that cool.
Oh, I
Again, episode 95, back at me and my designated driver going on a trip. Where are we going?
Emily, do you have
May you
service?
wonder.
No, still won't load, see?
95, I'm back in my designated driver. Going to pick something up. What this time? Oh my goodness, we literally. So 95, back
What
in.
last time? Didn't want to be in the videos. Here she is.
Then go behind the freaking seat if you don't want to be in it.
No, she's fine.
Episode 195, back at me and my designated driver. Okay, exaggerated this there. It's only like the 6th episode. What are we picking up this time? What could it be?
You literally
Does.
only pick up 2 different things, so.
Oh, I don't know, Doge or
I pick up lots of stuff.
Wait, is it a buck or no?
Just no kidding.
A buck or dough? Oh! I never realized buck and does. Or money. Goats. Doe, because the doe girls are does and boys are bucks.
This farm, we're going to is really some honest folks. You don't get that nowadays. You don't get that, this generation, my generation, honestly. I'm like, this generation, it's my generation. What am I talking about? What am I?
Subscribes.